What's up, YouTube? Well, I gotta turn this off. Alright, I got my new bike, finally. Alright, we start off from the back. We got a Animal GLH 2.25. I think it's stock rims. Twisted PC pedals. 3-piece crank, 22 teeth sprocket Animal. DK plastic seat, stock seat clamp, post clamp thing. 27 by 7 rise, or 26 by 7. I don't know. DB stem, headset. I forgot what headset, but it works. I'm getting a new fork, and I got 10-wall Demolition Momentum tires. These rims, I really do not know what they are, but they work. What else? Animal. Hold on. I don't know what grip. Buttons. Odyssey buttons. Forgot what grips. There's a lot of stuff on this bike. Forgot. 14mm back. Axle. 3/8 in the front. Alright, I'm getting shin guards. Ordering on Danscomp. Front, I got a new street tube. And this bike currently weighing about 25. Heavy tube in the back and GLH. Yeah. Alright, peace YouTube.